Our team works hard to ensure our clients are satisfied, so we love it when our clients provide feedback in the form of a review. It's great validation that we're on the right track. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.